I'm getting this shot right here to match it up. Let's go ahead and go down. See those views and come up, come towards me. Alright. When I have the controls, I'll actually look a lot more better. As you can tell, I'm out here on the highway, checking it out the highway, and you know I'm over here recording off of the DJI microphone. And if you look at the camera right here, on top of the ceiling right here, recording right here, match it up, and you can see all the view over here. So I'm just doing a quick test right now, checking it out. I could go up higher, come closer. I could go, again, go run the wrong way again. Just go a little bit closer, and let's come closer to me, and let's go and so there you go. There's a look of how it will sound. Is it pretty loud compared to the video? I don't know. This is just a trial to see how it all works. Like I said, I'm out here and doing it right here in front of everybody, man. This ain't bad. Hopefully this is the first trial of ever doing this out here. I forgot my microphone, so I don't know how the audio is gonna come out. But let's go ahead and get it back. And there you go, recording here with the DJI microphone. I have it all right here now. I stopped it, got the background. Was acting a little crazy for a second. I don't know what happened there, but this is the video I'm doing for a 3,000 mile review out here of the truck. Out here at the whatchamacallit, but doing the 3,000 mile. It's pretty good. I put on top of the thing to see how it worked. I put it on top of the ceiling right here. Put it right here just to put it there real quick while I make this video up front, you know, see how it came out. I don't have the microphone on. This is the built-in microphone on here, so hopefully it came out. I don't know how good it came out, so hopefully you can hear me and I can match it up all good and everything. So it's pretty hot out here, beautiful day out here in Texas, so pretty cool. Got the shot, got the video, got the drone. First trial, like I said, doing this, so pretty cool to check it out here and check it out, man. If you want to check it out and everything like that, and pretty awesome. All right, there you go. There's the footage of the actual truck. All right, let's check it out.